Okay, let us discuss this problem. So this is identifying A, B, C, D. So that is roadmap kind of problem you have. This is pretty easy one. 9.46. I think all of you can do this one. So you have compound. This compound is given. So initial compound is this cyclopentanone you have. If you treat with first Grignard reagent CH3MgI, and second step is hydrolysis H3O plus, you are getting compound A having molecular formula C6H12O. This is simple, you can derive A. Now this is reacting further with H2SO4 and heat, so that is a dehydration of alcohol. This gives B, and B has a formula C6H10. You can see from here itself, this is a dehydration because 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is gone, so this is a dehydration. This must be an alkene, so this is alkene. Are you getting or not? Now B on hydrogenation gives, so I have, so let me write it here. So if I do hydrogenation of B plus H2PD, that is a hydrogenation. If I do a B, I am getting this compound CH3. So this is given to you. So some point of time you can check your answer is right or not by verifying this. If you write a structure of B and do dehydration, do hydrogenation, you should get this compound. Now let us say if you heat D, so B can also be prepared from H2SO4 and heat. So if you do H2SO4 heat, C6H12O, so this can be, B can also be prepared from D, and D has a formula C6H12O, and once again this is a dehydration of alcohol. Now D can be prepared from CH3MgBi, Grignard reagent, CH3MgI, and the second step is hydrolysis H3O plus. Are you getting or not? And this C should be C5H8O. C5H8O. So this is C. Are you getting or not? So D can be prepared from C using Grignard reagent, and C can be prepared from this compound. So C can be further prepared from this compound with PHCO3H, that is a epoxidation reaction. You have PHCO3H. So this is epoxidation. Now if I do react with HBr, this compound gives E, and E has a formula of C5H9Br. C5H9Br. Now E react with magnesium and ether. So E reacting with Mg ether. So this must be forming a Grignard reagent. And further, so this is first, second, so this react with cyclohexanone, so I have double bond O. Are you getting or not? And hydrolysis, so we are treating with 3 reagent, Mg ether, cyclopentanone and H3O plus. I get F, and molecular formula for F is C10H18O. H18O. Now if I do dehydration of F, so I think all of you have copied this one. If I do dehydration of F, H2SO4 heat, that is the dehydration, I am getting Z. So let us copy here. Z has a formula of C10H16. C10H16. And if I do KMNO4, if this is treated with KMnO4, hot KMnO4, I will get again the same compound. You have to deduce the product. So this is hot conc KMnO4. So this must be a breaking. So you see here you have a 10 carbon and here you have only 5 carbon. So this should be symmetrical because I am getting 5 carbon and here I have a 10 carbon. This is a breaking of double bond. So this G should be symmetrical. So you can basically derive all these products. So let us take 2-3 minutes time so that all of you can do some exercise. So let me see how many of you are able to do this one. Okay, let us discuss the solution. I think all of you have done this one. This is a pretty easy problem. So let us go from here. So if you react with Grignard reagent CH3MgI, what will happen? CH3 minus will attack, this opens up, and if you do hydrolysis, so you will have alcohol. So now the structure of A everybody knows. So what will the structure of A? So let me write here itself. Here I will have OH and here I will have CH3. This is my A. Are you getting or not? Because what will happen, this CH3 minus will attack here, this opens up and takes H plus, you will have this. So A is easy. Now if you do dehydration of alcohol basically gives B. So now if you do dehydration of alcohol, you have two options. Either you can lose double bond, you can make a double bond this side, or you can make double bond this side. Now if I write the major product B, so I have to make a double bond from this side. So B will be simply, here I have CH3 and here I have a double bond. So this is my B. Are you getting? So B is simple. Now let us say if I will do hydrogenation of B, should I get this? Of course we will get this compound. If I do hydrogenation of this, there I will have hydrogen, here will I have hydrogen. So I will get the same compound. Now B can further be prepared from this route. So let us go for this route. So I have this compound, this is a epoxidation, so C is easy one. So what is C? So C is this. I have to simply make a epoxide. So this is my C. Are you getting? Now this is what? This is ring opening of epoxide CH3 minus. CH3 minus will attack here and this will open up. So let us say, I can show you in details. So I have here O. So CH3 minus, that is coming from Grignard reagent, this will attack here, this go open here. So I will have after hydrolysis, so even after hydrolysis, I will have, here I will have OH and here I will have CH3. Are you getting or not? And this is the same as D. D is this compound, so this is your D. You can check the molecular formula for D. So you have 6 carbon. How many hydrogen? 3 plus 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So you have 12 hydrogen and 1 oxygen. So you check the molecular formula. Here also you have C6H12O. So molecular formula is right. C6H12O. So both are same. Now from D, you are getting again B. That is after the dehydration of alcohol. So if you do dehydration of this, you will get a double bond here. Are you getting or not? So if you do dehydration, you will get a double bond here. You see this is the same as B. So this is your B. So you are getting a double bond here and you have a CH3. So you have a CH3 and double bond. So same as B. So this is done. Are you getting? Anybody having any confusion? So let us try to visualize yourself. You will get the answer. So these are the simply easy problems. Now let us go this side. Now if I react this with HBr, I am getting, so if I react with HBr, so E is fairly simple. I will have this, or I will have a Br here attached, because if I react with HBr, this is the final product. Now what will be the F? E reacting with Grignard reagent, E reacting with Mg will fast form a Grignard reagent. So MgBr. Are you getting or not? There will be a minus. Now this further react with cyclohexanopentanone. So this will have cyclopentanone. Now you will have a Grignard reagent. This will attack here. This ups. So you will have something like this. And after hydrolysis, you will this ring and this ring connected. So you will have 2 5-membered ring that is connected. You have a 2 5-membered ring connected. And one ring you will have OH. So here you will have OH. And here you will have H. So this is your F. Are you getting or not? And if you do dehydration of F, you are getting Z. So if you do dehydration, you will have a double bond. So Z is something like this. So this is your G. Are you getting? And our question says if I treat with cold hot KMnO4, so in that case this double bond will break. If this double bond breaks, we will get the same compound. This compound you will get cyclopentanone. 2 molecules of cyclopentanone you will get, because one will come from this side, another will come from this side. That is the initial compound you have. So initial compound is this. I think all of you have done this one. This is a fairly easy problem because you have to simply revise the reaction. So you see in this question what are the reaction we have discussed. A dehydration of alcohol, that is one reaction. Second reaction of Grignard reagent with aldehyde and ketone. Third kind of reaction we have discussed, there is a hydrogenation. We have also discussed there is a one reaction epoxidation. Are you getting? And we have also discussed epoxidation, cleavage of epoxide in the presence of nucleophile, something like basic medium. So basic cleavage of a epoxide ring, that we have also discussed in this problem. So you see, we can basically frame a question. In that case, you will have many reactions in the same question. So let us copy this one first, those who have not copied. Okay, let us finish this one here.